Hello friends, welcome. Friends, the topic of our discussion today is noun clause, and in this video we shall know as to what is noun clause. We shall try to find out as to how to determine which part of sentence is a noun clause. Friends, often we get confused often we get confused as to which part of the sentence is noun clause. Much you have studied till date, much you have got, much you have received knowledge about grammar and its constituents parts. You have studied so many things in it, and as regards my knowledge, as regards my opinion, you have been with each and every aspect of it, and the time is now to revive that very knowledge, to just recall that knowledge and try to know whether we are still up to date or not, whether we are still able to revive, to recall that very knowledge that we have gained in our previous time. So now let us get started, friends, and know as to what is noun clause. Friends, noun clause is a group of words. You can take for granted that noun clause is a group of words which contains a subject and a predicate of its own. Noun clause is such a part of sentence that contains a subject and a predicate of its own, and this one I am talking about. Noun clause does the work of a noun. It functions as a noun, and as for example, you can take the following sentence, and the sentence is, I hope that I will win the first prize. Friends, I hope that I will win the first prize. In this sentence, I hope that I will win the first prize. Friends, here in this sentence, that I will win the first prize is noun clause, and I is subject, hope is verb, and that I will win the first prize is the object of the verb hope, since hope is verb here, and that I will win the first prize is the object of the verb hope. Friends, to know, to understand it more minutely, we shall have to go through some other examples, and they are: first one, friends, that he is a brave man. Friends, in these sentences, noun clause have been shown in bold letters. Okay, noun clause have been shown in bold letters. The letters in bold are the noun clause. Okay, that he is a brave man is admitted by all. Friends, that he is a brave man is noun clause, and here the noun clause that he is a brave man acts as the subject of the verb is verb here, and that he is a brave man functions as the subject of the verb. Okay, in next sentence, friends, everybody knows that he is an honest man. Everybody knows that he is an honest man. Friends, one must try to observe the sentences very minutely, and he must deem, he must think, he must ponder as to what word of the sentence, what part of the sentence contains what. Everybody knows that he is an honest man. That he is honest man is the noun clause here, and is the object of the verb knows. Okay, now let us move towards the next one. There is no meaning in what you say. Friends, there is no meaning in what you say. In this sentence, what you say is noun clause, and it acts as the object of the preposition in. And you know well that in is the preposition here, and what you say is the object of the preposition. Okay, now his knowledge that he is honest. His knowledge that he is honest. In this sentence, that he is honest gave him the courage to fight. His knowledge that he is honest gave him courage to fight. In this sentence, that he is honest is noun clause and is in opposition to the noun knowledge. Opposition to the noun knowledge. This is what we must keep in mind, friends. We must keep in mind the place of noun clause, the function of noun clause. How does it function, and how is it used, in what forms it is used in a sentence. When it functions as subject, when it functions as object, where it functions as object of the verb, when it functions as the object of the preposition, and when it acts, it is used in opposition to the noun. We must know and we must ponder, we must keep on thinking so, and doing so definitely we can do some better, and betterment will definitely fall in our life if we keep on trying to make sentences, if we keep on reviving such sentences and trying to find out as to what are the constituents parts of the sentence. We must try to know each and every part separately, one by one. We must try to know what is subject, what is object, what is verb, what is adjective, what is adverb, what is complement. Each and every constituent part of the sentence deserve proper attention and interest. So now here are some sentences for you to keep in mind, to find out whether you can recognize the noun clause in the sentences. Answers have already been mentioned, yet still you must practice regularly. Such type of sentences should be practiced by you in a regular way, and that will be beneficial for you. Okay, and the first sentence, what he told me was a lie. In this sentence, what he told me is noun clause. Okay, second one, how the thieves escaped from the prison is still a mystery. How the thieves escaped from the prison is noun clause here. Tell me why you said that. Why you said that is the noun clause here. Next, pay attention to what I am saying. To what I am saying is noun clause here. And in last sentence, is it unfortunate that you were absent? Friends, that you were absent. That you were absent is noun clause here. And so in this way you must try to find out as to what part of sentence is noun clause. Constant study will make you able to find out. So if you want to find it out, you will have to make a constant practice. You will have to practice it out, then you will be able to do so. So goodbye friends, see you in our next video.